Hi everyone, my name is Moore, and today I'll walk you through how to configure the approver settings within Opstream's intake editor to match the approval flow that you require internally. Let's start by talking about the different types of tasks that can be added. There are four main types: a departmental approval, a cost center owner, or an individual approval. We also support integrations, but we won't cover that in this video. Let's start with an example of a cost center owner. The cost center owner task means that an approver will be pulled in automatically based on the cost center of the requester. So if I'm someone from sales and I'm requesting to purchase something, my cost center owner, the budget owner for the sales department, will automatically be pulled in to approve this request. We can always change the review purpose of any task that we add. In this case, let's call it budget approval. I can also change the name of any step in the process. Let's call this initial go ahead. Now, Opstream supports both sequential and parallel steps. Sequential steps are represented by these gray boxes, and you can add as many as you require. And within each of these steps, you can add as many parallel tasks simultaneously. Let's rename this to Finance Review, and let's walk through the departmental type of approval task. So let me search for the finance department. I can see that it has 2 approvers. You will see that departments that have 0 approvers are grayed out and won't be able to be selected. In the departmental review, there are 2 assignment logics. If you leave this default assignee field empty, it will automatically be assigned within the team. You can also select a default assignee that will be assigned the request and then have the ability to reassign it within the team. You can also define conditions on which the approver will be pulled in and conditions on which they would auto-approve. We can define this in a way that finance department will auto-approve any request that is less than $10,000, as an example. I can also say that if, for example, I know that Edgar is the CFO, I can say that Edgar personally has to review anything that is, let's say, above, greater than, or equals, let's say, $50,000. You can create and change that as you require, add any complex conditions based on any complex set of requirements that you need. Then let's say that I want to add maybe the security department as well. I can look for that and maybe say that security only needs to be pulled in cases where these are products that are going to touch sensitive data. In these cases, I want security to be an approver as well, and I can say that a security review on average takes 21 days. So I'm going to give them a little bit more time for this review. If I want to rearrange the steps, I can simply drag and drop. So for example, if I want to add a different security step here, I can then drag this approval step directly here. This should give you a pretty wide sense of the capabilities supported by the Opstream approval flow. Thank you very much.